Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl, KC. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So tonight, we are doing a challenge. So today we are doing the Don't Ruin Your Lipstick Challenge by Scent and Mo. So shout out to both of you. Scent is actually the one, I guess, that started the challenge. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you. So I was tagged by Simply K Simone, or Simply K Eats, or Simply ASMR Ice ASMR. All of the above. So today I have some Jamaican food. I have some curry chicken. I have some oxtails, rice and peas. I have some steamed cabbage. I have some mac and cheese. I have some cornbread. Gotta look grown woman, it's Friday. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So we're gonna jump right in because it's hot. I want to eat it while it's hot. Oh yes. My mouth started watering in the car, child. Oh, I like cabbage. So, yes, child, I got a little lipstick challenge going around. Yeah, so I was like, you can't just go with regular lipstick, right? Oh, you gotta eat 9 minutes, 8 minutes straight. Okay, hold on. I forgot that part. I just started eating. Hold on. Let me set my time. I forgot that part. I'm like everybody else. I didn't go to digging in. We're gonna win this one, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna set the timer now. Yeah, so you gotta eat for 8 minutes straight. You gotta eat all your food and nothing. You just can't mess up your lipstick within those 8 minutes. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. That's all. That's right up my alley. Thank you, girl. As soon as I get something to eat, I'm gonna talk plenty trash. Cause we get to eat cute today. Huh? Oh, God, that curry good. Oh, got a little hit, a little spice. Y'all eat Jamaican food? It's so good. Oh, yeah. There's a little kick on that. I love curry chicken. I don't know how to cook it. I'm about to say I had KIONA cook it, but look. Sure. Let me taste that oxtail. I'm thinking this curry chicken about to be my favorite. Lipstick still there. Don't hurt. I'm gonna tell y'all what kind of lipstick I got, cause we was not about to lose this challenge, baby. I'm gonna take myself my look wrong, mama. Woo! Well, let me get some mac and cheese back here. Big Bite Betty. You know Big Bite Betty stay ready. Oh, I got some green onions. Why y'all let me... GOC, y'all slipping. GOC. How y'all let me forget the green onions yesterday? That would have just took it to a whole new level. You know, we should have had some green onions with them lobster tails and rice. Lipstick still there. I'm gonna tell y'all why it ain't going nowhere. Tell you a little secret for those who haven't done it yet. Get you something with a bone too. Come on, Argyle. Stop. This ain't no eat fast challenge. Thank goodness. Thank you, Scent. She must have made this just for me. Because she knew I needed something. I bet as soon as y'all can tell I can't wait to talk junk. Biting bone, don't worry about it. I got it. So yeah, I bet as soon as Simply K saw this challenge, she was like, oh yeah, I already know. I got it, girl. They mad. They mad. These oxtails good too, y'all. That's tender. Look at this. Look at this man. Somebody come look at this mess. I ain't never scared. Shout out to everybody who's done this challenge. It's fun. After my 8 minutes up, I'll tell y'all why this is not going anywhere. Let me see what time it is. Oh, okay. Oh, the 8 minutes went fast. Girl, you could have just made this 15-minute, girl. I ain't even got to eat cute, honey. I can eat. I can put my elbows in it like y'all say. God, all them green onions good. GOC, where you at? Somebody say, KC, I'm old. You can't be putting all these abbreviations. I'm always guaranteed to laugh in the comments. Every night. I promise you. And then I fell asleep last night. I usually stay up longer than that talking to y'all, but I fell asleep. Shout out to all of my island family. I love y'all. All the islands. Shout out to the Baddie twins. Speaking of Baddie twins, I don't think I saw them do this yet. I'm tagging the Baddie twins. As you know, they can rock it.
Hey, I forgot. I'm in the middle of editing, but I forgot to tag Kim B. So Kim B, yes.
I'm tagging Toss Point Fro, cause she eat cute. Who else eat cute, y'all? Oh, my cousin Sharika, eating pretty. She probably be like, girl, I'm not gonna be fooled up with y'all, but I'm gonna tag her anyway. Y'all let her know. Who else? Oh, I think you're only supposed to do 3. Look at me. Can't win a challenge, but then we want to tag everybody. Y'all get you some curry chicken or some oxtails. Y'all ain't have to stay pick that bone up, Casey. Give me my credit. Dog. Okay, well, I won that challenge. High five. That was an easy challenge. Why somebody be like, Casey, that ain't what the rules was. I know you lied. I think that was the rule. I probably done got it mixed up one of the other challenges I'm supposed to be doing this weekend. But anyway, so like I said, shout out to St. Mo, shout out to Simply K Simone, Simply K Eats, all of them. So baby, I went right there to the Home Depot and got me some paint. Hold on. Oh, y'all almost made me choke. Y'all play too much. So y'all went and got me some paint, baby. Went right round them to the Home Depot. They got me some paint. Went straight to the paint department. I wasn't playing with no lipsticks. This wasn't going nowhere. Okay? So I walked in there. I asked the ma'am. I said, excuse me, where's your paint? And he said, what kind of paint are you looking for? I said, I'm doing a lipstick challenge, but I can't wear lipstick because I'm afraid it might get, you know, come off. So I'm going to use paint. He looked at me, I looked at him, he looked at me. I looked back at him. He said, okay, it's over there. So there's some paint. There's some paint where you paint your walls. That's why I ain't going on. Now, this might not come off for a month or two, but we won the challenge. Okay? It might not come off till September, but baby, we won this challenge. Don't judge me by any means necessary, baby. Anybody want to paint their room, man? I got extra. Hey girl, hey.
Hey, what you got?
Curry chicken, oxtails, cabbage, rice and peas, mac and cheese, cornbread. And it's good.
Wants to share? Best friend.
Best friend.
Best friend.
So yeah. This ain't going nowhere. They just said lipstick. They ain't say what kind. They just said make sure it don't come off. And baby, this ain't going nowhere. Paint your walls, paint your lips. It's all the same. It's 2020. Ain't no rules. Everybody just out here winging it, you know? They curry chicken, boy. All of it tastes good. Bone. Yeah, so don't be mad at me, baby. Paint your lips. Get a little paint there, it might come on. Oh, well, that's so funny to me. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching the video yesterday. I really appreciate it. That food was so good. Clean the bone. That was good. That food was good. I enjoyed myself. I love cabbage. I bet y'all say, why you won't cook them? 'Cause I don't feel like it. Big Bite Betty. Somebody talking about Big Blight Betty. That ain't Big Blight. It's the Big Bite Betty. I tell y'all the truth. This guy ain't going nowhere. Y'all so good. I should put a little hot sauce on them. Oh, I left it in the kitchen. I pulled the hot sauce out. Hold on, Bone. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. I got you. Boom. So, still there. Still there. Ooh, baby. Y'all know how to cook curry chicken and oxtails and jerk chicken? Let me tell you something about some jerk chicken. Now, I was trying to decide whether, I always get curry chicken, like that's a must. But I was trying to decide between jerk chicken and curry and oxtails. I love jerk chicken. Like, I love jerk chicken. The grill, when they put it on the grill and make it really spicy. I haven't had it that way since I was in Fort Lauderdale. They cook with so many flavors and spices and oh my goodness. I really should learn how to do the curry though. If I don't do nothing else. When they do the jerk chicken, they actually, some of them, I think some of it come in a jar, but the ones that really cook it, they put it in a blender and mix all them spices together and scotch bonnet and all that. Woo! Be my friend. You'll be my friend. Let me think. Dot. K. I think it's K in Jamaica. K, you in Jamaica or Bahamas? I know you on the island. Who else from the island? Which one of them connectors from the island? I'm trying to remember. If this was a pop queen, I'd probably lose. They always showing love too. I just can't remember right now. Blame my head, child, not my heart, okay? Y'all know I love you. Woo, I'm getting full already. Need a little bit more. The rice and peas will fill you up alone. This is the stuff I be wanting to wake up to, like leftovers. I be wanting to have this in the refrigerator for my leftovers. Because ain't nothing like eating this for breakfast. I bet y'all say, well, now how you can eat these bones right here? Because they cut their bone up. And you can look at it and see it's done. But when you have that big old done, what is it called? A drumstick? Ooh, I want some more. Let me just breathe. Yeah, that's good. All right, let me eat another piece of chicken. I want the rest of my food. Oh, let me taste this cornbread. Y'all know I don't eat a lot of bread. I mean, well, you know. It's sweet. It's good. This is what Gia do. Gia take the cornbread and then then the cabbage. And do one of them numbers and stop all the juices up. All that cornbread good. I'm really gonna be full if I eat that. So if y'all want some lipstick that will not move, baby. And then what you get. It'll last you a whole month. They could have made this 30 minutes. I'd have still won. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I'm ready to go. So y'all meet me in the after party. Oh, somebody asked me yesterday where the after party video. It's gonna come after the outro. I know the outro seems like that's it, that's the end of the video, but no, the after party is always just sit there. It'll keep rolling. It'll keep rolling. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all. Welcome to the after party. Welcome to the after party. Y'all know I was just playing, right? That wasn't no paint. I was like, oh, it's a lipstick challenge. I don't want to be regular, baby. I don't want to be regular. I bet y'all say, didn't you just say you was full? Yeah, but this was so good. I don't want to be regular, baby. Oh, this is what I'm drinking, y'all, just in case I didn't say. I probably didn't. Gallo Family Sweet Apple. That's what I'm drinking. It's really good. I bet y'all say out of the cup. Yeah, out of the cup. It's Friday and it's 2020. I'm not arguing with y'all. Told you on Fridays. Happy birthday to anybody that's celebrating a birthday in August. I can't remember everybody. I know a lot of y'all was like, Casey, my birthday is August 11th, August 14th, August 3rd, August something. So happy birthday to everybody celebrating birthdays in August. You are blessed, okay? Blessed to see another year. That's a blessing. You ain't even got to do nothing. Look at Amazon. Come on in here. I don't know who this for, a kid. Them people come here every day almost. It ain't that much stuff. You just be sitting up ordering stuff. You do not need that many things from Amazon. Y'all be sitting up ordering all that stuff from Amazon too? You don't need that stuff. Wait a minute, that might be mine. Hold on. I just thought about something. See, that's why you shouldn't be talking about folks. Just hush. I think that's mine. Hold on, we're gonna see y'all. I'm gonna tell KIONA to come get it. If it's kids, I'm gonna talk trash. If it's mine, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna go get out the truck. I kind of like this sunshine. I was looking for that Lucci green. I would have wore that Lucci green from Crayon Case. I thought I bought it, but I guess I didn't. Lucci green. I would have wore that one. I guess I didn't buy it. Child, we're not finna wait for me. All right. Bye, y'all.
I was wrong. The package was mine.